Hey, this is Will from LifterLMS. I saw this question pop up a few times, so I wanted to make a video to address it. And that question is, what happens when my course options are over here in the sidebar? Everything's kind of tightly compact over here. It doesn't look like the tutorials. Typically this area is over in the middle. And how can we get it back over to the middle? You can click on this course options right here. If you click the words course options, click and drag that over into this gray area. I know the editor is a little weird. Just click and drag it over into the gray area and it'll be back here in the center column where you can see everything a little more clearly. This happens sometimes when the down arrow is clicked to take it to the bottom of the page, and once you click the down arrow when it's at the bottom, it'll jump over to the sidebar. So if you need to get that back, either go ahead and, I think if you take it to the top, if it's on the sidebar, you can click the arrow to go to the top and it'll jump over to the main area, or if it's in the main area, you can click the down arrow to send it back over to the side. So kind of go up and down, but if you see that where it goes over to the sidebar, just click the up arrow or click and drag it over into the middle and it should be good to go for you.